Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, children, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, very good morning to you all, children. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, all of you. How are you, children?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Very
Fine,
good.
ma'am.
Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Emma. Good morning, all of you, children. And have you all?
morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Harika. All of you, have you completed your homework? Grammar book homework I gave you. Did you complete that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many of you completed your homework? Raise your hands.
What, ma'am?
Your homework, Charan. Homework. I gave you homework, na grammar book bits I gave you. How many of you completed? Raise your hands.
Yes,
Yeah. Chandana done, Vishal done, Harshita done, Havisha done, very good. Ganesh done. And Harika, Ditya, Abhilash, Sanjay, Charan, Jashwit, Tanish,
Good morning, ma'am.
Nihal.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. And what happened to remaining children? Vanita, did you do your homework?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Vanita, Yuvan,
Ma'am,
Abdul,
is Kritvik, ma'am. Now which book we are
Kritvik,
doing, ma'am?
Kritvik, change your name, children. Come with your name so that we can understand. Because we go to so many classes, huh? Different names. Sometimes we can identify, sometimes we can't identify if you come with different name. Okay? Join with your names. And Yuvan.
Ma'am, I have my own device to join mom classes.
Yes, good.
That's why my
Yes. Very good, Havisha. And Yuvan, Abdul, Sriram, Rehan, Shaurya, Samhita, what happened? Did you do your homework? If you have completed your homework, raise your hand. Yuvan, be muted. Abdul done homework, Samhita also, Shaurya also. Yuvan, why you didn't do homework? Unmute Yuvan.
Ma'am, I did the homework.
1 second. Yuvan, tell me. I didn't understand what you said.
Ma'am, he did the homework. I forgot to do the homework.
How do you forget? After every class, teacher will give you homework. You have to complete. Next time, you should not repeat the same Yuvan. Okay?
Ma'am, actually, I do the B bit,
You have done B bit.
but I didn't do the
I
A
did.
bit.
A bit, B bit, and previous lesson C bit also I gave you homework. Right? A bit, B bit from fourth lesson, and third lesson C bit also I gave you homework. You have to complete by the evening and you have to post those pictures personally to my number. Yuvan.
Ma'am, I did the homework.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
now
I have
you
seen.
tell the answers. Ma'am.
Be muted. I'll tell you. Vimuda, I'm asking about homework. If you have done, raise your hand. Yuvan, listen to me, Yuvan. By the evening, you complete and send to my WhatsApp, okay? Okay, Yuvan?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Good
yes.
morning, ma'am. What is open? I got my book again. I forgot.
You got your book back again, Aradhya?
Yes, what is it?
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very good.
Ma'am, what is the book? In my brother's room.
Yeah, okay,
Ma'am,
good.
What is the homework?
I'll tell you. I have mentioned in MCB, fourth lesson, A bit and B bit I gave you homework. And in third lesson, C bit I gave you homework. Okay. If anybody...
C bit we didn't understand, ma'am. Maybe A, B, and B understood. Ma'am, I completed A and B bit.
1 second.
Ma'am, in exam you gave Ma'am, we didn't did
One,
see
two,
it, ma'am.
3 lessons. 3 lessons you
I
get.
have shown you
exam.
how to Harika, wait a moment. And exam portion I'll let you know. Exam portion I'll complete, and no, don't worry about
Ma'am,
exam
can you
portion.
show the
I'll do
CBIT, ma'am?
I'll do revision also. CBIT answers. Didn't I send you? I have sent you already third lesson answers, I think. Did I or
Ma'am,
not?
can you Ma'am, can you send from the Bambi lesson?
Bambi lesson. You just send me some message, Aradhya, personally, so that to your number I'll send you directly. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you tell us the answers, ma'am. We will check.
Yes, I'll send you the answers. In class, I'm not going to discuss answers, children, because if I discuss, our time will be running out now. We have so much to do. I'll teach you in the class. Answers I'll send to your WhatsApp group. Check your answers. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Rehan.
Ma'am, I have a doubts in underline the subject state. If in the B-bit, ma'am, I have some doubts.
Which lesson, baby? You are asking fourth lesson, baby.
Ma'am, in grammar book, which you gave the homework, no, ma'am, in that B-bit.
B-bit. Rewrite the sentences using capital letters where required. That only, no? I'll share my screen.
Yeah,
Be muted, children, all of you. When I am teaching, please don't unmute. If you have any doubt, please make a note of it. After my teaching, you have to ask me. Be muted. Nihal.
Yes,
Be
ma'am.
muted.
Ma'am, I'm muted on, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Be muted, all of you. Please be muted. Again. I'm muting, you're unmuting. This is only time will be wasted. Yeah, some of you said they're having doubt in B. I'll tell you. Be muted,
not
please.
this one, ma'am. Ma'am, this one I was asking you, this one.
This one means page number, lesson number, nothing here.
Ma'am, 12, page number 12.
How many days back we have done 12th page?
Ma'am, you gave this one, oh, ma'am, for the homework.
Be muted, children. Permanently, I'll mute you, children, if you do so. Your parents will be with you and they'll be talking on their own, whatever they want, and you won't unmute. You will disturb whole class. Even though I'm repeating same mute, you won't unmute. If you do so, I'll just permanently mute you and I'll do my teaching. Be attentive to the class. Don't disturb others. Yes, you said third lesson BB, right? Rehan. Third lesson BB, underline the subject. State if it is singular or plural. What you have to do is, you have to read the sentence, identify subject, and you have to underline that subject. After underlining that, you have to identify whether that subject is singular or plural. If it is singular subject, use singular verb. If it is plural subject, you have to use plural verb. That is what you have to do in page number 12, B-bit, third lesson B-bit, that is. Rehan, are you clear now? Not responding, I'll just leave.
Okay, ma'am.
That is just third. That is just fourth. That is just
B.
fourth B-bit, ma'am.
Yes, let's.
Showing the fourth B-bit.
Now, I gave you this as homework. You might have done already. Here, only thing is, you have to
Yes,
use
ma'am.
capital letters where they are necessary. That is what you have to do. You have done already maybe. And I'm just coming down. Here we are having some phrases, children. Be muted, I said. Don't sit along with the TVs and with your parents in kitchens. Children, sit separately. Concentrate on class.
Ma'am, somebody is just skipping the screen, ma'am.
Yeah, I disabled. And look at the pictures and read the phrases. And here we are having some pictures and some phrases. Let me read. I'll tell you why they gave us here some phrases. A flock of pigeons, a belt of asteroids, a quiver of arrows. 1 second, it is not visible. I'll see it next. A litter of puppies, a troop of monkeys, a troop of actors. And here, in all these phrases, I told you already what is a phrase, children. Phrase is a group of words. Phrase means a group of words. Here, see this first one. A is one word, flock is one word, of is one word, and pigeons is some other word. So if we together, if we take so many words as a group, that is what is called phrase. But difference is there from phrase to sentence. Sentence gives us complete meaning, whereas phrase will not give us complete meaning. This is what we have learned in our previous lesson. Now, in this phrase, a flock of pigeons. If we have so many pigeons at a place, and if we don't want to say there are 4 pigeons, 5 pigeons, like that, no need to say. We can say directly flock, a flock of pigeons. Flock means it is a group of pigeons. And in the same way, second one, belt of asteroids. Asteroids means small stones, like you can see on our globe. Now, this is our globe. These are small pebbles, like you can see now. These are asteroids. And here, all these asteroids together have one name. So many asteroids are there. For all those asteroids, we gave one name, that is belt. Belt of asteroids. If we have so many asteroids, we call it as belt. Next one, arrows. If we have so many arrows, we collect, for that we give a name, that is quiver. And here, if we have so many toys, puppies, we call it as litter. If we have so many monkeys, we call them as troop. If we have so many actors together, for them we give one name, that is troop, children. Like this, if we have so many at a place, we are giving a separate name to them. That is what is called collective noun, children. I'm just writing on my board. Look at my board, all of you. This is grammar book, page number 15. I'm just clearing it. See. Now, we're talking about collective noun, children. Collective noun is the one where we use for a group. We use only one name for a group. That is what is called collective noun. Here on my screen, you have seen flock, belt, quiver, and litter, troop, troop. All these words come under collective nouns only. In our previous lesson also we have learned about collective nouns, children. I told you, always collective nouns are singulars only. Family, class, or else our class also. In our 4D class, all the 40 members together, for you we gave one separate name, that is 4D class. Otherwise, we have so many members in our family. All those members have one name, that is family. Otherwise, army. Like that, these are all collective nouns, children. Just move on to next page. Here, move on to next page, children. Turn your page. Now, the highlighted words are collective nouns. Here, highlighted means that here they gave in some other color. All these letters or these words are in different color. They highlighted this collective noun only. Frog is in different color. Belt and queue. Here litter. Here troop and here trope. All these they gave in different color. Just to understand you better, to highlight, to show you clearly. They are the collective nouns. They stand for a group or a collection of people, animal or things. We have done already. If we have a group of people, we say crowd. If we have so many animals at a place, we call them as herd. If we have so many things like toys at a place, we call them as litter. Like that, if we have so many people or animal or things at a place, collectively to that group, we give one name, that is only collective noun. That is what we are going to learn today. And here, in page number 16, children, you are having so many collective nouns. And whenever you get time, you please go through all these collective nouns and you have to learn. Okay? Now.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Harshita here.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't wrote page number 16, ma'am.
Page number 16. Just now we came to page number 16, no? Nothing
No,
is there.
ma'am. I'm telling. Yes, ma'am. This page.
Yeah, this is page number 16. Here nothing to write. I told you, you have to learn. For example, nest. Nest means group of rabbits, group of snakes, group of mice, or group of crocodiles are called nest. Like that,
Okay.
these are the collective nouns for these animals, things, and people. You have to learn this. You won't write anything
Okay,
here. Okay? Just move on to
Okay,
next
ma'am.
page. Move on to next page.
Okay.
Be muted. Be muted, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Be muted.
Thank you.
Somebody unmuted. Please be muted. Don't disturb others. See, come to see with children. Fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns from the box. And here in this box, be muted, please. Please be muted. Please be muted, I said. Nihal, don't unmute. Fill in the blanks. Nihal,
Ma'am, I'm mute, ma'am.
not mute. You are unmuted and saying I am muted. Check once. Don't disturb others now. Now you are unmuted again, Nihal. Nihal,
Ma'am, you're getting mute, ma'am.
I don't know what this boy is doing. Nihal, mute once. Now you are muted. Please don't unmute. Be muted, Nihal.
Ma'am, I am.
Nihal, now I muted you. Please don't unmute. Again unmuted. Nihal,
Ma'am, I'm muted only, ma'am.
Nihal, if you are muted, how can I get noise? I am muting you. You are unmuting.
Ma'am, now? Ma'am.
Please be muted, children.
Ma'am, I think if we unmute, it will be mute. I think so, ma'am. In the name, it will be mute.
No, no.
Not like that. Right on the screen.
Ma'am,
Again unmuted. Again unmuted. Nihal? Nihal?
Ma'am, I muted only, ma'am.
One second, Nihal, if you have any parents nearby, you call them. Call your parents. Nihal, call your parents. Nihal, call your parents once. If anybody is available, your brothers, sisters, your mom and dad, anybody, call them once, please. Fast. Because of you, all the 40 members are waiting.
Ma'am, you can start the class now, ma'am. Nihal has muted.
He will unmute again. I just want to tell them to show him how to mute and unmute. Yes, this is our 6 C-bit children. Here what we have to do is, here they gave us some collective nouns in this box. What we do is, we just read the sentences, whichever is correct collective noun, we have to choose from the box and we have to write here. See. Yes. Okay, that is what we are going to do, children. Now, first chance I'll just give to Supratik, unmute. Supratik. Supratik, unmute. Not responding. Tanish, unmute Tanish. Read first sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Read
The
first sentence.
farmer led his dash of cattle into the meadow.
Here, cattle, group of cattle. For group of cattle, which word we take from the list, from the box? Which is the right word? Can you guess? Group of animals are called?
Ma'am, bunch.
No. I'm moving my cursor. See. Herd. Yes. If we have so many animals at a place, group of animals are called. 1 second, children. It is not. Yeah, it came. Herd. Group of animals are called herd. Next, Yuvan, read second sentence. Yuvan, read second sentence.
Cat,
The
carpenter was looking for his
dash of tools.
Yes.
If we have so many tools, how do you say for that group of tools from this box?
Ma'am, try.
No.
Ma'am, cluster.
Set of tools. We always say set of tools, right? Next one. Who will read? Darshil reads third sentence.
The uncle bought a dash of cash and showed us a few tricks.
Yes, my uncle bought. Yeah, my uncle bought a dash of cards. If we have so many cards, how do we say? You might have heard this word so many times. How do we say? Darshil. Always we say pack of cards. Pack. And these children, you have to read all the collective nouns. Then you can understand which word you have to take from the group. Okay. This is how you have to do C-bit. I'm just moving to next one. And I have done 4. Remaining 11, you do as your homework. Okay. Yes. Next bit, I'll give you more. Look at my board. Here, now we're learning abstract noun. for example, here so many words are there. Read these words. There we have so many words. I'm taking only one word, that is hate. And here, who will unmute? Harshita, unmute. Harshita, A. Harshita, A, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Here, the word hate is there. Now, can we see this hate? Can we see
No,
hate?
ma'am.
No. Can you touch it? Can you touch hate?
No.
No. Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
No.
Be muted, children. No. Yes. Can you taste it? Can
No.
you taste it? No.
No.
Can you hear it?
No.
No. If all these know, what is this word? Which noun is this? We have learned already. If we can't see,
Abstract.
yes.
Abstract noun.
Yes. Yes. If we, yes, you are correct, children.
Now.
Yes. Yes. Be muted, children.
Now.
Abstract noun. Very good. Be
Abstract
muted.
noun.
Yes. Be muted. If we can't see, if we can't touch it, if we can't hear it, here I wrote 2 times, no? Yes.
Ma'am, we are stucking, ma'am.
My video is tracking.
Yes, ma'am, but I have eyes also.
Yeah. See, if we can't see it, if we can't touch
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
if we can't hear it, if we can't taste it, if we can't smell it, this word will become automatically, it will become abstract noun. This is what we have learned in our previous classes, right? Yes or no, children? Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, Shriram, read this sentence. Here, can you touch this sentence? I am moving my cursor.
Can you touch, state, taste, see or hear them? Yes or no? Dash.
Yes. Here we have so many words. Beauty, jealousy, hate, joy, fear, pleasure, liberty, pain, comfort and trust. Can we all hear these words? No. Can you touch?
pain. No, ma'am.
Can you
No,
touch them?
Hear the pain.
Can you tell?
And we can hear the pain.
No, we can't hear pain. One second. We can't hear the pain. We can feel pain. For example, if you do anything wrong, your mother will give you a slap on your cheek. Can you hear it? That sound we can hear, but that pain we can't hear. We can feel only. So, we can't see all of these. We can't hear all of these words. We can't taste all of these words. We can't touch them also. So, here you have to write and whoa, no. Right, all of you know here?
Ma'am, what is mean by liberty, ma'am?
Liberty means freedom. Freedom. Pleasure means happiness. Liberty means freedom, children.
Ma'am, what is mean by pleasure?
Pleasure. Pleasure means happiness. Being happy. Have you all done? Now, if you come down to the next, yes, if you have come down to the next page, that is D bit we are having. Circle the nouns. We cannot touch, we cannot taste, we cannot see, and we cannot hear them also. Here, what you have to do is, I'll show you 2-3 words. Remaining you do as homework. Yes. For example, first word ring. Can you touch the ring? Can you touch the ring?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So no need to ring. No need to
Ma'am.
touch
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Yes. Next, pain. Can you touch pain?
Yes, ma'am. We can tell.
No, we can't touch pain. We can't taste pain. We can't see pain. We can't hear also pain. So you have to circle pain.
Ma'am, can I tell 3?
Yes, who is this?
Pain, happiness, talent.
Yes. And here love. Love. Yes, Vimuda, good. And here, can you touch love? Be muted, children. Let me. Others also they have to understand now. Vedant, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you touch love?
No, ma'am.
No. Can you taste it?
No, ma'am.
Can you see it?
No.
No. Can you hear it?
No, ma'am.
No. So we have to circle this also. Like this, you have to check every word and you have to circle. Remaining words you do as homework, children. Children, always in grammar book, you have to do more work. Then only you can understand. And if you get any doubt, please ask me. If I keep on giving you answers, you won't understand anything, children. Next. Here also what we do is EBIT. Come to EBIT. Circle abstract nouns in these sentences. Here, Amrita, read first sentence, Amma. Amrita, read first sentence. Amrita, read.
She was the great despair
Hmm.
when she
Hmm.
lost her wallet.
Yes. And she was in great despair when she lost her wallet. She lost her purse, wallet somewhere. So that she was not happy. She is sad. And what is the abstract noun here, Amrita, in this sentence? Amrita, what is the abstract noun? Identify, please. Amrita.
Ma'am, despair.
Yes, despair is the abstract noun. I can't circle, children. I gave you only a tick mark. You circle with your pencil. Okay, you circle it. You circle abstract noun. Like this circle. I am giving only tick mark. Next. 1 second, children. Vimuda, read second sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The soldiers display their bravery of the battlefield.
On the battlefield. What is the abstract noun in this sentence?
Ma'am, displayed.
No. Displayed is a verb.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, ma'am. Can I tell?
Bravery.
Ma'am.
Bravery. Bravery. Like this, complete EBIT. Because today we are having study hour also. We can do so many bits in study hour also, children. Okay, I'll just show you in this class how to do. If we get time, I'll complete in study hour. And we have done EBIT here. F-bit we are not doing now. F-bit we are not doing now. Next class, 2 study hours we are having in the afternoon. No, then I'll teach. I'm having some teaching part in F-bit. I'll teach that and we'll do in the class only F-bit. Okay. So I'm not giving F-bit now. Come to G-bit, all of you. Come to G-bit, all of you. Turn your pages. Come to G-bit.
Ma'am, you'll send this all.
Yeah, I will send you after completing lesson.
C-bit
I'll
and
send.
D-bit is our homework.
Yes. Come to G-bit. Come to G-bit, all of you. Rohit, read heading. Rohit, read heading.
Filling the blanks. The
Abstract.
Noun.
Yeah, here they gave us some words in some abstract nouns in this box. We have to read these sentences, select the right abstract word, abstract noun from the box and we write here. That is what we have to do here. And children, Sai Charan, P. Sai Charan, P. Read first sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
There are great
There was. There was.
when the also the
it is also our homework.
Yes, some bits. I'm giving all this as homework now. All this as homework now. We have study hour now. In that study hour, we can complete most of the bits. Okay, we'll do in the class only. Don't worry. I'm giving so much homework. Okay. There was great dash when the team lost the match. From these all words, which is the right abstract noun, we can write here, Charan.
disappointment.
Disappointment. Disappointment. Very good. Disappointment. Write along with me, children. Next. Krutvik, read second sentence. Krutvik, read second sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
She knows the
Mm.
day of stamps.
He knows the dash of stamps. Stamps means on letters and all those. Otherwise, ask your parents to show you stamps, children, because for registrations or for some letters, we paste some stamps on them. They are stamps.
Importance.
We know
Importance,
the
ma'am.
importance.
Yes, ma'am.
Very not importance. We know the
Value.
value. Good. Next. Nihal, unmute and read the third sentence. Nihal.
Ma'am,
Yeah, read third sentence, Nihal.
third sentence.
Nihal, one second, Nihal. Did you understand what is unmuting and muting difference, Nihal? Now you did. Now you unmuted.
Okay, no, okay.
Yeah. Read third sentence now.
Money,
Many tourists. Many, not money. Many. Continue.
money,
Not money. Many.
M-A-N-Y, many,
Many.
many,
Tourists. Tourists.
tourists, Western,
Fast.
yes,
Visit.
V-I-S,
Visit India.
I-N-D, in India, to E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E.
Experience. Along with me, Nihal.
No, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. It's dash. Many tourists visit India to experience its dash. What is it? I'm showing you. No.
Ma'am, beauty.
Beauty. Very good. Yes. This is how we have to write, children. And I gave you all this home. I'm coming to screen so that I can mute you. Nihal, be muted now.
Ma'am, I'm muted only, ma'am.
No, you are unmuted. Now click mute.